Hey guys, Chef Nick Petersbond here, and today I took your suggestion. I gave you guys a poll on Instagram and I asked what would you like to see, a salted olive oil chocolate brownie or a banoffee tiramisu, and you voted for the brownie recipe. This recipe I've taken with me for the last 5 or 6 years. It's delicious, it's decadent. I'm trying a new style of filming today. We're just gonna focus on the food. I'm not gonna blab as much, so let's get right into it. As always, guys, if you do want the exclusive access to my recipes, you can check that out on Patreon. It is linked down below. And if you did want to chat with me one-on-one on Instagram or on Patreon, you can also check out my Patreon for those details. As always, please like, subscribe, and press the bell icon so that you're notified when I post new videos. I try to post them every single Thursday. Let's get back to the video. Alright guys, so that's it. So that was my salted chocolate olive oil brownie recipe. I'm telling you, it's so decadent, so delicious. I sound like Miranda sings. So delicious, and it is just like almost like fudge. It's like those types of brownies that have a little bit of a crispy edge, but then the most of the interior is basically like super fudgy brownie. So try this out, tag me if you guys decide to make it, take a picture of it, send it to me, the whole 9 yards. And as always guys, bye, you got this. Before I bid you adieu, I do want to remind you that I do have a Instagram giveaway going on. So you could win a $20 gift card to Kaha Coffee Roasters, or you could win one of their 2 top prizes is a 4-pack of their new variety pack. So it's 4 6-ounce bags of coffee. There's a variety of roasts. I got it as well. It is delicious. I also posted about how to use their burr grinder on my Instagram. So if you're curious in coffee and you love coffee like me and you're a chef and you need to, chef and parent, and you need to stay awake, then head over to my Instagram. It is at CHEFNICKPETERSBOND. It will be linked down below as well. You can enter that giveaway. As always, guys, bye. You got this. Yeah. Dabbing for brownies, dabbing for brownies. I love brownies. Oh shoot. These are bomb.com. And I'm telling you right now, Mike's gonna have to lock the rest of the pan up because I'm gonna probably eat half of it tonight and be like, oh no, I ate all the brownies last night. Oh shoot. It's like, they're that good, okay?